y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And this is real quick. I'm coming to you because I need your help. I'm starting a new series where I want to take a look back down memory lane over the last 5 years and take a look at some of my videos that are not vegan, not dairy free, and I want to remix them, make them plant-based. So I need your help. You already know, let me know in the comment section below what your favorite OG Sister Girl Tuesday videos are, and I will pick the most popular and remix them. So this is gonna be exciting. I'm ready to go on this journey with y'all. So let me know. But you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.